Hey guys, welcome back. This is a continuation of our solar reporting. These are the Solyndras that we installed, well, we placed here on the roof about a week ago. We finally wired them in yesterday, and how we wired them in was, um, so we connected the positive to the positive and negative to the negative, and we have two sets of four. So these are all in parallel. These are in parallel. If you look at them as like one big battery, right? And on the far end, we have the positive connected to the negative. So if you can think of this as like one big battery facing this way, another battery facing this way. Now on the opposite end, we have the negative port connected here, positive connected here, goes into a combiner box. And it's sitting on the floor right now, so it doesn't look very professional, but it was getting dark by the time we got to it yesterday. And it's limited to a 15 amp connection. The other one is limited to a 10 amp connection. And so, yeah, they're both hooked up and sending power into the inverter. And today we are actually doing quite well considering it's kind of rainy and cloudy out today. We've kind of broached the 3600 watt per hour limit several times already. So yeah, good stuff.